8 is great. Now, this is very special. My wife actually wrote this song. She would always say, 8 is great to the kids, because you want to get them used to understanding the whole 5, 6, 7, 8 concept and doing moves 1 through 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So decided to write a song. This is a fun song. You could actually follow this one like after they stretch and warm up. This is a great silly song just to get everybody loose. If you have new students that come in, just knowing like, oh, you do the 8 is great song. It's a funny song just to kind of break the ice, but it's good. We do stuff like, we stomp, we clap, we wiggle, and just anything. Now, on this one too, at the end of it, there's things that you can do to repeat, jumping again, whatever you want to do 8 times, you can kind of make it up. But at the beginning, you just follow the structure of the song, and it's just getting used to the 5, 6, 7, 8 concept. So here it is. Now, in between, I'm going to have what I call the groove moment. So you just want to kind of, got boom, boom, got a, got boom, boom, got a, and then the Follow Believer song will help you. So here it is. This is the song, 8 is great.
Is great. Count it with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 is great. Now 8 is great. Now watch me jump. Now watch me jump. I said 8 is great. I said 8 is great. You wanna see me jump? You wanna see now, me here we go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 is great. Now 8 is great. I can do it like that. I can do it like that. I said 8 is great. I said 8 is great. Now watch me clap. Now here we go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 is great. Now 8 is great. Now watch me wiggle. Now watch me wiggle. I said 8 is great. Now 8 is great. You wanna see me wiggle? Here we go. Wiggle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 8 is great. Now 8 is great. And I can stomp my feet. And I can stomp my feet. I said that 8 is great. I said that 8 is you wanna see me stomp my feet? You wanna see me stomp my feet? Now here we go. Stomp 1, stomp 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is great. You know that 8 is great. Tell me that 8 is great. You know that 8 is great. Count it with me now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mr. Chris in the building. You know